Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, we're going traveling again today and I hope you're set to go to, and we'll find out in a minute, we have Novica, the Undiscovered Artisan Box that comes out every quarter. And before we get started, I just want to make sure that I welcome all my subscriber friends. I really appreciate it when you can come and see and visit me each day or whenever you can. You are always welcomed. And if you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know my next video that will be coming out soon. As for today, we are going to be going across the land. Now, the Novica box, the Undiscovered Artisan Box, is a travel box that goes around the world. We've gone many places in the last year, and I'm still getting this box. Now, guys, my package got lost, and it should have probably came to me in November. But I guess with Christmas and all the things that were going on, I just kept thinking, well, it'll be here in December. When it didn't get here in January, I contacted them and they told me it had gotten lost. And they immediately sent me out my box. They credited me my shipping. This box for a quarter is $59.99 a quarter plus shipping. Get this, guys, shipping is $3.99 with tax. My shipping credit that they gave me was $4 and something. I just thought that was incredible that they even gave me my shipping back, because I don't think that it was their fault that it was lost, but they also gave me a $25 credit toward my next quarter, and I just think their customer service is excellent. When you open this up, we have our little invoice. It's in this little envelope, and you can see inside here we have a package. It is like a gift. And it comes like this every quarter. Okay, they have it wrapped up. And like I said, we have our invoice here. I want to tell you, they're so professional. Each time I get this, I get an itemized invoice of what was in my box. And it looks so official. Isn't that really clever? And then they put it in this little envelope so I can keep it in a safe place. And I just really like their detail. And when we go through this box, you'll really know what I'm talking about when I talk about the detail. Now, my box is wrapped up in some paper here, and we're going to unwrap it here. And this is like getting a Christmas present every quarter, and I really like this box. Look how beautiful the presentation is. Isn't that wonderful? This is the Novica Undiscovered Artisan Box. And it's all wrapped up like a nice little present. And I really hate to tear into it, but I have to in order for us to see it. So I'm going to cut my ribbon. And we're going to get that off of there. And then we are going to commence cutting into the paper. But hey, you know, this would be like my Christmas present that I should have got last month, but it didn't make it. But they wrap it all up. And we're going to have, I think, 5 items in here. If I bought anything extra, like they have add-ons, then that'll also be in here. I can't remember if I bought anything or not. But I will tell you, they wrap this up very nicely. And once we get this off, and we have our package unwrapped, then we have our next box. Because like I said, they package this really, really good. You get to customize the whole box. So everything in here I picked myself, and I believe we are going to India. So let's find out for sure. And yeah, I should have got this in December because this is going to have a bunch of Christmas in it. But isn't that beautiful? This is our card. It says, "Hello, thank you for your support." And they've got it written in their language as well as my language. And I love that card. We always get a postcard. And then they also wrap up everything so nicely. And this is the Novica Undiscovered Artisan Box. And this journey has just begun. And then we have to open it up and undo the twine. It's just so personable. And then on the inside, it says India. So it's going to tell us all about it. On the back side, it has recipe for us. And if you want to screenshot that real quick, you can. I don't know if I actually have any tea in here, but it is something that they're going to feature. And I'm going to have to just pick out items and start telling you what it is. And this was one of the items that I chose. I'm going to get this box out of the way. I don't know if my card is in here or not. Yeah, down in the bottom. Look at this big stocking. I didn't know it was going to be this big, but this is a sweater stocking. And you can tell that it's really large. And it's handmade and it's beautiful. And each product will come with its own Novica card. And on the inside here, it's going to have who our artisan was. It's Sandeep Malhotra. My family has worked in the textile field since 1968. We design and create shawls, throws, stoles, cushion covers, table mats, curtains. Some 30 artisans collaborate with us now. And this is the snowflake charm, knit from acrylic in hues of vivid red and snow white. This charming stocking will bring the magic of Christmas to your hearth. Very cute, and that would have been so cute for my Christmas, but that's okay, because you know Christmas comes every year, and this is something that can be handed down and we can hang on to it for years on end, so no worries. My next item that I'm pulling out of here, and they've got it wrapped up really good here. Let's see what we have here. Don't y'all just love traveling? I love it. Now this is India, as we said. Oh yeah, these were my little ornaments and I love them, and you'll see why. Look at them. They're little puppy dogs. Isn't that just so cute? They're like little Jack Russell dogs almost. I would say maybe not quite a Jack Russell, but they remind me of my little Jack Russells. And there's 4 of them to go on my tree for next year. And they're made out of a nice felt. And look how well they're stitched all around. Just very nice. Very good quality. Oh my goodness. And then we have this one, black and white, which looks like the Boston Bull Terrier maybe. Reminds me of that just a little bit. Isn't he cute? There's 4 of them all together. There's 2 different kinds and they're all handmade. And this here was made by Renu Rani. In 2019, I got recognition as an artisan by the Ministry of Textiles and had the opportunity to participate in the museum craft fair. Wow. And then this says, sit, stay, heal. 4 loyal dog friends romp and play together in this beautiful set of ornaments designed by Renu Rani, handcrafted from woolen felt with shining eyes made from glass beads. The ornaments hang from wool yarn and arrive in polyester pouch. And they did. They were in this polyester pouch to keep them safe and keep them clean. And there's their beaded eyes if you want to take a look at their beaded eyes. And of course this one has beaded eyes too. You may not see it as well. There we go. So those are just very nice. And then I have this polyester bag to keep them all stored. So that was some more Christmas items that I had. And don't you just love it that they have these little inspirational little cards with each gift. Now the next gift I am seeing, I believe it's my handmade tea light. Let's see. Yes, this is a handmade. It's wood. It's made out of wood. It's got Novica on the back, and look at the front. It is hand carved. And it looks like it's got lace on there, but that is hand carved and painted. And then it's got a little tea light in there that you just set down in there. Isn't that just clever? And let's read all about this. This is by Tarek Khan. As a little boy, I used to observe how blocks were made and how block printing was done with them. And then he says, the Lotus Art, this is carefully carved with incredible design. Tarek Khan's tea light candle holder is a tribute to the beauty of traditional block printing. So that is pretty cool. I like that. I wasn't sure exactly how it was going to look, but it sounded so interesting in the descriptions. And like I said, I got to custom each and every item. They have 10 or 12 items sometimes in the same, I guess, custom. So there's lots to choose from. Now I chose another Christmas ornament from India. And this too is in another one of those polyester bags. And these are handmade, crafted star ornaments. And you just have to look at these. Look at this. Aren't those beautiful? Oh my goodness. And there's 5 of them. It's a whole bag full of them. I just love that. See, look how many are in there. These are beautiful and would look so pretty on my tree. But we're going to see who this is. This is Parvez A. Washi. It's been a very long journey for me in the field of handcrafts. Every day is a new experience for me. And then he says, dazzling stars. Stars come to life with a dazzling golden Jarazi embroidered, forming sunbursts in the center, working in the traditional Indian techniques. Parvez A. Washi crafts ornaments with, I don't know how to say that, Rajahani flair. The set of 5 bring luxury to holiday decor. So there's 5 of them. And I don't know if I had that hanging down too low or not, but just look at the detail in that. It is beautiful, and there's 5 of them. Very nice. I'm very happy with this box. Even though it came late and it got lost, I'm okay. I kind of understand now that they felt the need to give me a credit, though, since most of it was for Christmas. Okay, my next item in here, and I don't know what this is, and I don't know if I have a card for it. Oh, I do remember this. This was my #1 pick. Look at this, guys. This is handmade dominoes. Oh my goodness, now I remember this. My granddaughter Azalea loves playing dominoes. And I wanted to have this for Christmas, just in time for playing dominoes. But look at the wood craftsmanship of this. Oh my goodness. And then each one of these are a piece of wood, handmade. And of course, it's all set up for playing dominoes. And look at that gold trim that is within the holder. So this is my holder of my domino set. This is just exquisite. Oh my goodness, let's read about it. Okay guys, this here was Ashia Mehta. I became interested in carving when I was a child and wondered how a wooden elephant was made. So he started off with the wooden elephants, I bet. And then this says, the classic entertainment, a classic game that all ages can enjoy. The set of dominoes is the work of Ashish Mata. He crafts the set from beech wood with brass inlay pipes and stripes. It includes 28 dominoes and a mango wood holder, also trimmed with gleaming brass. So we've got the mango in this, and then the brass that it trims around for it, and then of course we have the brass with our dominoes. Oh, this is just exquisite. And Azalea, if you're watching this, or if your mom's watching this, we'll get to play this when you come up to visit next. And this is so cool. So, okay, guys, I think that is my box. I don't think I bought anything extra. That's everything in my box. It looks like I did get a hand-carved elephant. And I think this is a bookmark, is what they would consider that to be. Isn't that exquisite? Every once in a while they do throw in a bonus piece, and you don't know what it's going to be. And I believe that's what this is. And one of these artisans carved this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay guys, what was your favorite item? There's a lot here. I love these ornaments. But guys, I absolutely wanted this wooden domino set made of the mango wood and the beech wood dominoes with the brass inlays. I just think this was just exquisite and was a wonderful choice to have, and something that I would never be able to get. I'm not going to India anytime soon, probably never in my life. What about you? So this was a great way for me to bring a little India into my home. And I got to choose what I brought, just like you would if you went on vacation over there or went on a tour. So as a recap, we got this handmade wood-printed candle tea light holder made of wood. And of course it's got Novica on the back. We got this exquisite domino set, which I absolutely love, We got our 5 golden ornaments that is woven with lots of intricate detail. I got my little puppy dog ornaments, which I just adored as well. It's really hard to pick a favorite when I picked everything and I loved it all. And then I got this wonderful, nice big stocking. And like I said, this is something I can use for next year. I'm really happy with my choices, and I love the little hand-carved elephant that they have sent. So you let me know what your favorite was. And remember, I had 4 of these little puppy dogs all together, and they even sent it in little bags that you can keep them in for storage. They just think of everything. It's just wonderful. So that is my Novica box. Obviously, I'm going to get another one probably in February. I'm not sure when their next box comes out, but I can tell you I will be getting the next box. I'm just so impressed with the Novica box. If you're interested, just hop on over there. If you go to their website, I can tell you I don't have like a personal discount code. If I find anything, I'll put it in the description. But sometimes when you go to these websites, they'll have a one-time first offer or something, and you click on it and they'll send you a code through email. But I can tell you they're very good with their customer service, and their products that are handmade by their artisans is just wonderful. And they do send us more information. They tell us a little bit about each artisan. And we did not get something from Mira, but this is the featured artist, and they would tell us all about her. And so they do give us a little information. And then, as I had told you, we have this tea recipe that makes 2. So they give us a little taste of India. They talk to us about their artisans, and of course we get to learn about each one just a little bit with each little card that's specifically made for the product that you choose. Once again, they are all chosen by you. You get to customize the whole box. And don't forget, you get a lovely postcard. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all the beautiful colors. India has a lot to offer, just a beautiful culture. Okay guys, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions, and if I have any giveaways, they'll all be down there. I do have my 1,002-year anniversary giveaway going on with a $100 Amazon giveaway card. There's 1 card up for grabs and 2 other prizes, so be sure and join in if you're interested in that. And as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.